Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by warming the hand and measuring where you are. Do 5 minutes of wrist circles and finger spreads to increase blood flow. That reduces injury risk. Next, choose a training tool, tennis ball, 1 3 kg gripper, or therapy putty, based on your baseline squeeze and pain. Perform a measured test, 3 maximal squeezes, note reps and any discomfort. Once done, you have a safe starting load. Make sure to record numbers so you can progress logically over weeks. Once warmed and tested, progress into structured work. Start with 3 sets of 8-12 reps for squeeze holds, fingertip push-ups, and banded finger extensions. Rest 60 to 90 seconds between sets to let the palm recover. Focus on controlled eccentric and concentric phases. That's where strength builds. After 2 sessions at the top rep range, increase resistance by about 5–10% or add 1 rep per set. Make sure to alternate intensity days and include a light day to avoid overuse. To finish, cool down with 3–5 minutes of gentle stretches and a light massage to flush metabolites. This aids tissue repair. Prioritize sleep and hydration and allow 48 to 72 hours for recovery after very intense sessions so collagen adapts. If progress stalls, use deload weeks with 50% volume for 1 week. If sharp or persistent pain arises, stop the offending exercise, reduce load by half, and consult a clinician. One key troubleshooting tip: persistent sharp pain is not normal. Get it checked.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.